Hi everybody, this is Michael from Barbecues Galore, and today I'm going to be talking about the Brander One and Done. This is a great handheld thermometer, and it's probably the most economical thermometer we have in the store. It has 3 big buttons on the front. One will control your Celsius and Fahrenheit. The other one will lock in the temperature, so when you stick it in the meat, you can press that button so you can see it later on if you have to. And the final one is your maximum and minimum. So when you're checking a big batch of chicken wings, you'll be able to go through and be able to figure out which ones are hot and which ones are cold, just based on the fact that you have 2 different temperatures. As well, you have a bottle cap opener on it, okay? So you gotta open up a few drinks when you're having a good cook. And it has a magnet on the back of it. That way your thermometer doesn't go flying into the grass after you've had so many drinks. When you open up the thermometer and stick it in the meat, you're gonna have the temperature in about 3 seconds. This is very important to have when you're doing a big batch of things or checking up a whole bunch of different spots on a piece of meat, because every second you have that hood open, you're going to be bleeding heat, and that's going to affect your cook. Alright, so that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you need any more information, check out barbecuesgalore.ca, and we'll see you soon.